In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to dispute fraudulent charges in the Chase app. The first thing you want to do is open up the Chase mobile app on your device and sign into your account. Then navigate to the account with the fraudulent charge, scroll through your recent transactions and locate the suspicious charge. Then tap on the transaction to view its details. Review the transaction information carefully to confirm it's fraudulent. If you're certain the charge is fraudulent, tap on dispute transaction or a similar option. Then answer the questions provided about the nature of the dispute. Confirm that you or anyone authorized did not make the transaction, then provide any additional information requested about the fraudulent charge. Review your responses for accuracy, then submit the dispute by tapping Submit Dispute or a equivalent button. Note that the dispute tracking number or reference for future follow-up. Monitor your dispute status through the account menu under Account Services. Then wait for Chase to investigate the claim. This process may take up to 2 billing cycles. If needed, provide any additional documentation requested by Chase to support your dispute. Remember that you should report fraudulent activity as soon as possible. You typically have 60 days from the statement date to dispute unauthorized charges. While the dispute is being processed, Chase may issue a temporary credit to your account. For immediate action on multiple fraudulent charges, or if you suspect your card has been compromised, call the Chase's fraud department at 1-800-955-9060. Finally, you should consider locking your card through the app to prevent further unauthorized users while the dispute is being resolved. Remember that Chase's fraud protection policies may change, so always refer to the most current information provided by Chase for the most accurate guidance. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.